Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
Start by preparing a reliable egg wash. Whisk 1 whole egg with 1 tablespoon of milk and a pinch of salt until homogeneous. This ratio gives a rich golden gloss without excessive browning. After you shape croissants, rest the laminated dough for 15 minutes at room temperature so layers relax and the wash spreads evenly. Using a pastry brush, apply 1 thin, even coat to the entire surface, just prior to sliding trays into a preheated 375 degrees F oven. For advanced shine, use 1 egg white mixed with 1 teaspoon of water and gently brush croissants mid-bake at about 8 to 10 minutes. The protein film increases gloss without adding fat. If you want deeper color and richness, substitute 1 tablespoon of heavy cream for milk in the initial wash. Brush gently only once more if needed. Avoid overbrushing or piercing layers, because extra moisture or disrupted lamination will produce soggy interiors instead of crisp. Flaky croissants. Right out of a 375 degrees F oven, you can boost lasting shine by brushing warm croissants with 1 tablespoon of simple syrup made from equal parts sugar and water. The light glaze seals and amplifies gloss. Transfer pastries to a cooling rack and allow 10 minutes for the crust to set and excess steam to escape. This prevents sogginess. For best texture and appearance, serve croissants within 4 hours of baking, reheating briefly at 300 degrees F if needed to revive crispness.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.